Starting with some breaking news coming in from Andhra Pradesh, ladies and gentlemen, where Chandrababu Naidu's TDP has just formed the government, and Naidu, who has been the victim of what he called a witch hunt, political witch hunt by Jagan Mohan Reddy, has hit back at the YSRCP chief and the former Telangana chief minister, saying that he has destroyed Amravati, saying that he's destroyed the entire system in Andhra Pradesh while the YSRCP rule was in place, saying that they have demolished Praja Vedika and have undermined the state's dignity. Naidu condemning Jagan's decision to establish 3 capitals and all the slew of decisions taken while the YSRCP government was in place.
విధ్వంసం ప్రారంభమైంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది మీరు చూస్తే 19 పవర్కి వచ్చాడు. ఫస్ట్ యాక్ట్ వాజ్ డిస్ట్రక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రజా వేదిక, నో రిటర్న్ ఆర్డర్స్, నో అకౌంటబిలిటీ, జవాబుదారీతనం లేదు. ఒక చిన్న ప్రాపర్టీ కొట్టాలన్నా నిర్ణయం చేసేటప్పుడు ప్రాపర్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో కావాలి. ఎలాంటి ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో కాకుండా ఇది చేయడం, అక్కడి నుంచి 3 రాజధానులు అనౌన్స్ చేయడం, ఆ నుంచి బీసీజీ రిపోర్ట్ ఒకటి తేవడం, జిఎన్ రావు కమిటీ వేయడం, కేబినెట్ సబ్ కమిటీలు వేయడం, ఎన్ని విన్యాసాలు చేయాలనో అన్ని విన్యాసాలు చేసి విధ్వంసానికి ఏం చేయాలో అన్ని చేసే పరిస్థితి. ఈ విధంగా ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రజావేదిక ఈ విధంగా తయారు చేశారు. అది అట్లనే ఉంది ఇప్పటికి కూడా. దాన్ని కూడా మిమ్మల్ని కూడా అడిగాం. చాలా మంది అంటున్నారు శాశ్వతంగా అట్లనే ఉండాలి, అక్కడి నుంచే స్ఫూర్తి రావాలి, ప్రజల్లో కూడా కసి పెరగాలి. అది చూసినప్పుడంతా కసి పెరిగి
I have Aneri joining us on the broadcast, going across to Aneri. Aneri, a fact remains that it was a political witch hunt, and several decisions that were taken have been, debated in the last 5 years of the YSRCP rule, including the 3 capital decision.
Well, that's right, Niranjan. A lot of things which had transpired during the Jagan Mohan Reddy's government. Well, now Chandrababu Naidu, who came to power just a few days ago, has now released a white paper on Amravati capital. Well, remember back then during the Chandrababu Naidu's regime, Chandrababu Naidu had decided that Amravati would be the capital. But then later, Jagan Mohan Reddy, who came and who became the chief minister in 2019, he came up with the 3 capital issue. But then now Chandrababu Naidu once again has released a white paper saying that how Jagan Mohan Reddy had destroyed Praja Vedika, how Jagan Mohan Reddy had done so much of drama and came up with 3 capital issue and over this Tughlaq rule in the state of Andhra Pradesh. But then now Chandrababu Naidu, who has released a white paper on Amravati, has now come up with a future plan and also talks about how they would go ahead and develop Amravati as the capital. Because remember, as Chandrababu Naidu, before taking oath itself, had made it clear that only Amravati would be the capital and Andhra Pradesh would not have 3 capitals. Very clear decision coming in from the TDP government there, NDA government there in the state of Andhra Pradesh. But now we'll have to wait and watch how it turns out to be, because Chandrababu Naidu slams Jagan Mohan Reddy over destroying Amravati and over destroying the Praja Vedika which was developed. Well, however, the government has now decided to keep that destroyed Praja Vedika in the same way, so that looking at that, they would think of developing and coming up with more and more development in the state of Andhra Pradesh, setting that as an example. And that is the reason why we see back-to-back white papers are being released by the Chandrababu Naidu government. Earlier, they had released a white paper on Polavaram and now on the Amravati capital region. So we'll have to see how it turns out to be. But yes, the face-off between the TDP and YSRCP escalates now.